Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. I think I said that right this time. So that is the Facebook group that I am a part of, and we do collabs every Tuesday. So if you are an active YouTuber and you'd like to be a part of our group, just leave a comment down below and I can definitely add you. So the theme for this week is Mardi Gras. So I kind of looked up what colors are Mardi Gras usually. So I found that it was gold, green, and purple. So I'm kind of going to make do with what stamping polishes I have, because I don't think it's the exact purple. I think it's a little bit darker and it's a bit of a different green, but I don't have those stamping polishes. So we're going to make do with what we have. And the host for this week is My Nail Design, so she came up with the theme for this week. So I will have everyone's pictures at the very end of the video, like always, and I will also have their links to their YouTube channels, their tutorials, down in the description box below. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I will show you what I have on my nails right now. So currently I'm rocking this gray polish with some blue flakies in it. This is from Painted Polish by Lexi. This is Luna. I got this from the polish pickup. I think it was for January, because I haven't got February. So this was, I think, January. So that is what I have on my nails. So I kind of thought that might be a good base. We will see how it goes. And what I'm going to be using, I have this stamping polish from Born Pretty store. This one is the Autumn Courtyard series, and this is Shannon Macaroons. I think I might pop in this white, probably like for double stamping. This is the White Night series. This is pure. Another Born Pretty store polish, and this one is called the White Night series again, in fire. So that's the gold. And then I think I'll probably use this, or I might pop in, I think my Zoya color actually worked. So I might have this polish for my green. This is Born Pretty store, or I might use, I can't remember if this stamps, but this is the perfect green. So this is Zoya, and this is Honor, so I might try that. The top coat I've been using right now is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. This is the top coat. It's been working actually pretty well. And I have the perfect stamping plate for this. This is Born Pretty store, and this is Mask, and it's X42. Like, look at that. That is the perfect stamping plate for this collab. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start with just stamping everything white, and then I'm gonna do with the colors first. So I like this one. It would help if I got a scraper. I think I'll do it on my ring finger. And that's the finished nail design. I actually think I kind of like how it turned out. So what do you guys think? So that is everything I have for you today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.